Hello. Hello, good evening.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you, Rishit?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good too. So you were saying you will not be attending class after 7th, no?
Ma'am, after ninth, ma'am.
After 9th. Okay.
Yes.
You have exams after that, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what do you want to revise today? Any chapter that you feel difficult that you want to revise? Or I'll start something of my own?
Ma'am, start anything, ma'am, like of your own.
Okay. So we'll revise practical geometry. Okay.
Okay.
You have that in your course, no?
No, ma'am, I don't have it in my exam, like syllabus.
Okay, then we won't. Then we won't. We'll take some chapter which is there in your exam because only you are there for today's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we can take data handling
Okay, we'll take data handling. Okay,
for today.
okay. Let's open data handling.
Mm.
Yes, Rishit. You can put on your video, Rishit. 23. Right. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Nice to see you. Good. Okay. I'll share the screen now. We'll open the chapter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in data handling, we have three kinds of things: tally marks, pictograph, bar graphs.
Paragraph.
Okay, reading of those graphs and making of the graphs,
Yes, ma'am.
both. Right. Good evening, Soumya. Soumya is also here. Okay, Soumya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Soumya, today we are revising data handling. Okay. Okay. When are your exams?
Ma'am, 7th of March.
Okay. So that's day after tomorrow. So which exam you have first?
Telugu.
Which one?
Ma'am, Telugu.
Which one is that? Auntie,
Ma'am,
which
my second exam is math.
no, on 7th, which exam you have? Which subject?
Telugu.
Telugu.
Telugu, ma'am. Telugu, ma'am.
Okay, Telugu, that's your language. Okay,
Yes.
see that, no? Okay, I'm wondering some different subject. Okay, okay. Okay, that's a language. Yeah, language is there. Elective language. Okay, I'm sharing the screen now. Ashwath is also there. Ashwath, how was your exam today? Yes, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, 1 second. How was your exam today? Yes, tell me, Ashwath, how was your exam?
Ma'am, it was fine, ma'am.
Okay. Second, 1 second. Let me check.
Ma'am, what is the topic for today?
But today we have data handling.
Okay, ma'am.
Your maths exam is over, no, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
So which exam you have now?
Ma'am, tomorrow I have computer.
Okay, then Then why are you doing today's maths class and prepare for computers?
Ma'am, there are only 3 chapters for this syllabus.
Okay, so you want to do maths class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, this is your data handling. देखिए क्या क्या है डेटा हैंडलिंग में, क्या नया कुछ मिलेगा आज हमें, बताओ ऋषित साहब। Okay, Rishit, tell me what is data?
Ma'am, data is the information like which we have.
Okay, it's a collection of information. Very nice. And what is Ashwath will tell me. Ashwath, what is what do we do in tally marks? What is tally marks?
Mm,
Where are the questions?
Ma'am, it is a method of organizing the data in
Very
numbers.
nice. Very good. Very nice. Exactly. You're very closer to the statement. Almost closer. Okay, it is organizing the data. And organizing the data can be done in many different ways. Okay, that we can do it by bar graphs, we can do it by pictograph also, we can do it by telegraph also. Okay, so telegraph is representing the data in terms of lines. We make lines, no? For that, we make 4 lines, and when we reach the fifth one is the slanting. That means we make it into groups of 5. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. I'm searching for the questions. These are all examples. Here are the questions. Okay, let's wipe out this so that we have some space. Okay. Uh, let's do the first question. Start. Hello. Shall I read the question for you? Are you
Yes.
reading? Okay, wait. In a mathematics test, see, all of you be ready with your pen, pencil and all, pencil, paper, notebook. You'll have to make this chart. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Okay, so these are the marks of 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. You have to arrange all these in form of tally marks. Now, first you arrange, then we'll work out on these. First part that you
Okay.
need to find out is find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. Then second one is how many students obtained marks below 4. So this part is afterwards. First make a tabular form and make tally marks. Yes, quickly, Soumya. Quickly, everyone should do. You will all show me your notebooks on the camera. Soumya, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do. When you have so many numbers given like this, then count them in order, okay? First count the numbers in the first row like this, okay? Then count in the second row, then count in the third, then fourth, like this, so that you don't miss any number, okay? Either you count like this or you count like this, whichever way, but be organized. Done? Be fast.
Okay.
And if you have this chapter in your syllabus, then a sure question is there from this chapter. Okay. And that too for a not less than 4 or 5 marks question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
No, ma'am.
Bhuvan is done. Soumya. Hurry up, children.
Ma'am, in the last one.
You need to maintain your speed also. You need accuracy also. Okay, both is required.
I'm done.
Okay. Speed and accuracy both are required in the exam. Okay, Soumya,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what columns you have made.
Ma'am, I've made ma'am a marks table, marks column,
table, marks column, then
tally marks, and frequency.
tally marks and frequency. Okay. So these are numbers from 1 to 9. Okay. Okay. Tell me how many children got 1 mark?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Rishit, you also tally with yours, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm 2.
I'm writing here like this 1, 2. Okay. And 2 marks?
3.
3.
Okay. Like this. Okay. Then next.
Ma'am, 3 marks, 3.
3 marks, 3 children. Okay. Keep telling. Yes.
Yes.
Don't stop.
Ma'am, 4 marks, 7.
Ma'am,
4
4 marks,
marks,
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fifth one is like this.
Yes, ma'am.
6, 7. Yes. 5,
6.
Ma'am,
6, 7. Okay. 6,
7.
7.
7. 7,
5.
5.
Ma'am, 5.
Both of you please tally your answers. Okay. Soumya,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you getting the same
Yes, ma'am.
frequencies? No? Okay.
Yes,
8,
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
4. 9,
3.
3.
3. So for everything we'll make tally marks
Yes.
like this. 4, 5 and
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5,
6.
7.
7.
4. Fifth one
5.
is like this slant.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what is the answer for the first one? Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. How many got more than 7? Equal to or more than 7. Okay. So that's
Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, 12.
12. Okay.
Yes.
Just a second. Okay. So that means equal to 7 are these and 12 are okay. 7 and more than 7, so it's only 7 is there. Okay. So that
Ma'am, how many students
okay.
mark?
Got more. Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay. 7. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
12.
12.
So that's 12. Okay. Then next is how many students obtained marks below 4?
8. Ma'am,
8.
8.
Below 4. Okay, here.
8.
8.
Yes.
Okay. Is this 8? Below
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Below 4.
Okay, not 4, below 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excluding 4.
Okay, great. Okay, now we'll do one question of pictograph now. Okay. Let's do making of pictograph. We'll make on pictograph. So only this much in this chapter, no? Bar graphs तो था ही नहीं इसमें. Okay. I'll give you a question. You do, okay? Make a pictograph. Okay, I'm writing the question here. You have to make a pictograph for this. Okay, please write down, draw a pictograph for the number of wristwatches. Draw a pictograph for the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory. Soumya, put some hairband with it. Your hairs are falling on your eyes. Manufactured by a factory in a particular week. Okay, and use symbol of your choice. Okay, this I have left for me. Okay. Number of watches are on Monday. This is on Monday, 800. Then Tuesday, that is 700. Analyze the data and choose your figure. Okay. Okay, this is the data given. Make a pictograph. Draw a pictograph and use symbol of your choice. By the time you are doing this, I'll write one question for bar graph also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For the making of bar graphs. In this question, you have to make a bar graph.
Yes.
Maintain your speed, and with speed maintain the accuracy also. Okay? ऐसा
Yes,
भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि जल्दी
Ma'am,
जल्दी
I'm done.
करती है.
I'm done with the pictograph.
Very nice. We can start with the other one. Okay. What have you chosen your one symbol as? Rishit,
Ma'am, I choose one symbol as 100.
one symbol is 100. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm also done.
Okay. What have you chosen your one symbol? Soumya?
For one symbol, I chose as 100.
100. Good. Very nice. Okay, do the next one, bar graph.
Ma'am, I'm done with the bar graph.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show me Rishit. Show me on the camera.
Yes, ma'am.
The bar. Show me the bar graph.
Okay.
Okay. On x-axis, what have you taken? Days. On your y-axis, you have the number of books. Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
Okay, good,
And I took
Rishit.
one value as 10.
Okay. And Rishit, where have you written the scale? I
Ma'am,
have told you.
here.
Where is it? Can't see. No, no, not this. What you take as 1 unit. I told you
Yes,
to
ma'am.
write.
I'm done.
Okay, okay, okay. That's okay. But please don't just write 1 equals to 10. 1 is never equal to 10. 1 होता है और 10 होता है. 1 is never equal to 10. So write 1 unit is equal to 10 books.
Yes, ma'am. Like, I forgot and I kept already 1 is equal to, so,
So
I
make
wrote,
the correction there.
okay.
Make the correction now. 1 unit is equal to 10 books. And write on x-axis, what have you taken? X-axis is number of days. Okay, days of the week. On your y-axis, you have taken number of books. Mention that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, Soumya, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show me. Yes. What have you taken your 1 unit on y-axis?
Ma'am, 10 books.
10. Have you written the scale there on one corner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So please write, don't just write 1 equals to 10. Write 1 unit is equal to 10 books.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote that on there.
Yes, that's nice. Good. And mention there on x-axis you have taken days, on y-axis you have taken number of books. Good. That's the correct way. Yes, Ashwath, done? Okay. So should I give you more question on data handling or we'll revise some other chapter now?
Ma'am, I had a doubt in a question. Ma'am,
Yes, ask.
ma'am, a collection of numbers gathered to give some information is called A. Data, B. Range, C. Tally marks, D. Frequency.
Data.
Okay.
Okay, that's the definition of data. What is data? Collection of information. Okay. You must have got this question from your question asking from the question paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, any more questions from this chapter or we'll move ahead? We'll look for some other chapter. Yes, Rishit, tell me. Soumya, tell me you have your exams coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath has finished his maths exam. So tell me, Soumya, which chapter you want to do? Revise now. Or you want to do
Ma'am.
more questions of this type?
Ma'am, I think we can do more questions.
More questions of this chapter only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I will give you some more questions. Let's do. I'll give you one more bar graph then. Okay. Chalo. Please write the question. Okay, please write average wages. You know what are wages, no? What are wages? Average wages of some firms. Wages means the salaries that the people are getting. Okay. Suppose that some people are working in some company, they are getting some salaries. So average wages of some firms is given below. Draw a bar graph. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. Okay. Now these are the firms. The names of firms are given, and on the other way, average wages are given. Average wages are in rupees. Now name of the firms are A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, these are the firms. Analyze the data and see what will you take your scale as. Okay, do this. Do it. I'll write one more question. Yes, Rishit, what are you thinking?
Nothing, ma'am.
So do.
Ma'am, like I'm thinking how to like how one diagram what like I should do.
What you should take your unit as.
1 unit, yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, analyze the data. 4,000, 3,500, 4,500, 6,000, 5,000, 550. So they are all in the gaps of 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. So yes, ma'am. I also thought the same.
Huh.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, Soumya. Good. So, which one you have done? Both? Or first one? Average wages.
Ma'am, the first one.
Okay. So, what have you taken your scale as? Show me your graph. Yes. Yes, Soumya, that's nice. What have you taken your graph? What is your scale?
Ma'am, the y-axis is the firms and the x-axis is the wages,
Hmm.
and 1 unit is equals to 1,000 firms.
Y-axis is your firms.
Yes, ma'am.
You can take it either way. There's no problem in that. But what show me your graph again. Your graph that you showed me is showing something different. Bring it closer. See, you have the bars standing straight. That means you have not taken uh, firms you have taken on x-axis. ABC you have taken on x-axis, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So write x-axis. X-axis is the sleeping axis. Okay, the sleeping line. Y-axis is the standing line.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that's what I wrote.
No, you were saying something different. Your firms is on x-axis. Firms are on
No,
x.
ma'am, my firms are in y-axis.
Huh?
My firms are in y-axis only, ma'am. I
Firms.
wrote it on the scale.
Bring it closer. Show it closer. So, nahin, please write it x-axis. Write x-axis because when I see a graph, it's clearly it's showing that you have taken on x-axis, but you have written y-axis. Firms are on x-axis. See, once you look here, Soumya. See, when you on your graph, when you take your firms here, A, then B, then C, like this, and you have here 1,000, okay, then 2,000, then 3,000, and so on. Is it? So that means suppose if you have your A as 4,000, so it will go like this. Like this, you have made your graph.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see your graph. So that means your firms are here. If you have taken your ABC, this is the x-axis. Okay. And this is the y-axis. The sleeping axis is x-axis. The horizontal axis. The vertical axis is y-axis. Make this correction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishit, show me your work.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Like I'm doing the second one. Yes, ma'am.
Show me your bar graph. Okay. Okay. That's nice. What have you taken on your x-axis?
Ma'am, on x-axis, I took this wages.
You took
No, 1 second.
on x-axis you have taken firms
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C. Okay. And on
Yes,
your
ma'am.
y-axis you have taken wages. That is a unit scale of 1,000.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you taken
1,000.
1,000, no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. 1,000.
Yes. So you have done correct, but please mention correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Both of you have done correctly. But only thing is while writing.
Ma'am, the second one.
Okay. So what have you taken one picture as?
Ma'am, one picture has 1 unit, like
One picture is one
1%.
person. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Numbers are small only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Soumya, show me the next one also. Pictograph.
Doing it, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I'm still doing it.
Okay, do. Okay. More, do you want more sums on this or will revise some other chapter also? But the time is about to get over. We'll do from
Yes.
this only.
Ma'am will do like more to one question.
Yes, yes, bache.
Ma'am will do 1 or 2 questions in this time.
We have class tomorrow also. No? Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why science classes are like not going?
I don't know which ma'am must be busy somewhere. Ma'am is busy today. Okay, I'll give you one more question on bar graph. I'll give you. Okay. I'm giving you bar graph because this graph will be more used when you go to your higher classes. Okay. You'll get even more different types of bar graphs there. Sonia is doing the question. Okay.
Ma'am, can you give questions from any other chapters?
No, but today I'm taking this only and Ashwath, since now your exam is over and other students have their exam now. So, okay, so I'm doing as per which chapter they want me to do, okay? Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
you are through with your maths exam, no? But others
What,
still
ma'am?
have. Your maths exam is over, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So others still have their exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, birth rate of the state is given below, presented by a bar graph. So from which period means from which year to which year the birth rate is given. So that is 1941 to 50, then 1951 to 60, 1961 to 70, 1971 to 80, 1981 to 90. Now birth rate is birth rate, you know, no? How many children are born in this in in this period of time? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
in a particular state. So here you have to show with the bar graph.
Yes. Ma'am, only this one question or you'll give you like any other one?
I think one question will be enough
Yes.
because the time is about to get over. Okay, we'll do the rest tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll take
Ma'am,
some.
tomorrow we'll start like a new chapter.
We'll do with some other chapters. Tell me whichever chapter you want, we'll do that.
Okay.
Any chapter where you are facing difficulty. Okay, I mean that. Whichever chapter you find difficult, tell me that. We'll practice.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
scroll the screen like little bit down?
Little bit down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, is it comfortable to you? Have you done your previous question? Hello, Soumya. Arya, done?
I'm in the last one.
Okay. So children, you can continue this. Never mind, take your time.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay. So you have the question with you. Note down the question.
Yes.
You can try, and then tomorrow we can discuss.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So today you revise this chapter. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for today. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.